Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Pardon my appearance today. If you don't know anything about me, I work in news, and being as we are in the middle of a pandemic and an election season, it has been super crazy lately, and I just got done working a shift, so I've been hard at work all day and it's been a super busy day, so a lot of makeup or doing my hair just was not in the forecast today. So this will have to do for now, but the reason that I decided to film anyway is because I got a really exciting package in the mail today, and it is from a company that I have been wanting to partner with for a very, very long time. And I just think that bringing you guys this product or this company will benefit you guys a lot, especially if you are a big makeup fan, or if you are looking for, maybe some holiday gifts of subscription boxes or anything like that. So if you have been watching my videos for a while, or maybe if you're new here, maybe you don't know this, but I am a big fan of unboxing videos and subscription boxes. I absolutely love subscription boxes. I subscribe to 2 different subscription boxes, but now I will now be receiving a 3rd because I am partnering with this company, and I'm so grateful for this. And that company is BOXYCHARM. If you don't know anything about BOXYCHARM, they are a subscription company for makeup and skincare products. They send you a handful of makeup and skincare products monthly. They have different tiers of boxes, but the cheapest tier is $25 a month, which depending on the makeup that you get inside, if you shop for makeup often, you know that makeup is not cheap, and you can get like 1 lipstick for $25. So getting a handful of products for $25 is incredible. So I really today just wanted to do an unboxing of my first BOXYCHARM box that I can share with you guys so you can get an idea of what to expect in these type of boxes. I know that I have had a few people say to me that they would like to know what is inside a BOXYCHARM box. So I figure this is just a win-win situation. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox and let you guys know what is inside. So right off the bat, when I open the box, I can see that there's a bunch of stuff in here, and it comes with a little card that'll tell you everything that is inside and the value, which I absolutely love. I love when boxes or subscription companies are very transparent about what you are receiving in your box, because they may say that you're, receiving a value of $400, but you're only paying $50. But in reality, you may only be receiving a value of like $30, maybe $50. But in any case, so when they're transparent, I think that is great. Then they have nothing to hide, and you are just knowing if you are getting your money's worth. So the first product in the box is the Grace and Stella eye mask. The Grace and Stella is an amazing brand. I have received some Grace and Stella products in my FabFitFun boxes, so I absolutely love Grace and Stella. This is awesome that their eye masks are in here, and this is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. There are 12 pairs in here, and it's suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. So the value of these are $21. So right off the bat, you're almost getting how much you paid for the box. If you paid $25 and these are $21, you're getting your value or your money's worth out of this box already. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram stories lately, I was actually just talking the other day about how me personally, when I pay attention to skincare, I often forget my eyes. So having some eye masks is really great, and I'm really excited to try these out. Next, we have the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. So I've actually tried some products from 111 Skin before. I'm trying to think of what it was that I used recently from them. Maybe a face mask? I don't really remember. But in any case, this is the Pollution Defense Booster, a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. That's really awesome. The value of this is $135. So I'm pretty sure I received one of these products in my FabFitFun box before as well, but considering that this is $135, obviously this box is well worth the money, and I'm really excited to try that out because, as it says, it protects your skin against blue light. And working from home and blogging and doing all this stuff, I feel like I'm constantly in front of a screen, whether it be my phone screen, a television screen, or a computer screen. So there has been a lot of blue light stuff going on in my life. I'm already wearing the blue light glasses on a daily basis, so having this is really awesome, and I think this is super interesting, so I'm excited to try this out as well. So next we have the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. And I've never tried a product from Hourglass, but I've always wanted to. I hear YouTubers and bloggers rave about Hourglass, so I'm excited to try this out. And it says the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4mm tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows, and this is worth $28. So far what I've noticed is the products in this box are very high quality. They're not like drugstore products, which, you know, I shouldn't say that, because I've tried drugstore products that I absolutely love and they're phenomenal. But the products in this box seem to be more high-end products. So if you are looking to expand your horizons on some high-end products but don't really have it in the budget, if you have $25 to spare, you can try these products without putting as big a dent in your wallet. So next we have Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise, which is a nice blush palette here with some super pretty colors. Really pretty. Here's the front. I love the packaging. So this is the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise palette. The Blushed in Paradise blush palette is an addition to our much loved Paradise collection. 4 blush shades are featured to provide a natural flush of color, and this is worth $30. So again, this is a brand that I've never tried, but I'm excited to try out, and this is the perfect opportunity to try out in this box. I love that they are sending me brands that I haven't tried out yet, because what a time to do it. And on to the last product. This is the Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Matte, long lasting, and moisturizing. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, so here it is. It's like a very deep color, which is perfect for fall and winter. I've never tried this brand before, so again, another brand that I can try out. And it says here, the Ola Neon Liquid Lipstick. These coveted liquid lipsticks have you covered with all-day wear. Minimal touch-ups throughout the day mean less worrying about smears, stained teeth, and weird inner lip rings. And the value is $17. So that's all 5 products that were in the box. Like I said, you're definitely getting your value or your money's worth, because even just the one product alone is $135. So I'm gonna add up all the product values and let you know how much the total box is worth. Alright, so this box was worth $231, which is absolutely amazing if you're just paying $25 for the box. Now, the products that I received in this particular box, you may not receive in the box that you get. I believe that not everybody receives the same products, but you, of course, obviously will receive different products depending on when you sign up for the box as well, because you either will be receiving the following month's box or the previous month's box. So it all depends on when you sign up, the tier you sign up for, and I guess the availability of the products. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a background on BOXYCHARM before I wrap up this video, in case you are interested in signing up for BOXYCHARM or maybe gifting a subscription to BOXYCHARM to a friend. So you can sign up for a monthly box. You can prepay 3 months, prepay 6 months, or prepay for a year. There are 3 different tiers. There is the basic box, which is $25 a month. There's the premium box, which is $35 a month, and the luxe box, which is $49.99 quarterly. So like I said, the BOXYCHARM Basic and the Premium are both monthly, while the Luxe is quarterly. The Basic is an average value of $175, the Premium is an average value of $215, and the Luxe is an average value of $395. Considering that this box had a value of $231, I'm going to go off on a whim and say that this was the Premium box. So the product types in the Basic are beauty, the Premium is beauty, and the Luxe is beauty and lifestyle. So I don't know what products lifestyle entails, but if you get the deluxe box, I think you are going to be getting a little more in your boxes. The basic box has 5 items, the premium box has 6 to 7 items, and the luxe box has 8+ items. In the basic and premium subscription, you can have a choice of customization for 1 item, and the deluxe box you can choose up to 2 items. All 3 have the customization option, all 3 have add-on options, and all 3 have rewards. So depending on which tier that you decide to sign up for, will have different perks. Definitely head over to BOXYCHARM.com to learn more. It'll have a list of different brands that were included in some of their boxes lately, and if you are interested in seeing some of the previous month's boxes, you can also go on there and it'll show you what was in some of the previous month's boxes so you can get an idea of what to expect. So all in all, I'm extremely excited about the products that were in this box. I think this is well worth the money, and even if this was the premium box and you were to pay $35 for it, then having $231 worth of product is still totally worth it. I think, you know, spare yourself the $35 and get some new products, especially if you're interested in trying new brands or products or discovering new things. You never know what you will find that you will love. I've had so many of my favorite products I discovered through subscription boxes, so hopefully I find one of my new favorite products in this box. So if you're interested in knowing more about the products that are in this box, I'm going to be posting a little bit more on my blog, unbreakablebliss.com. I'm sure I will post some on my Instagram stories and TikTok as well. I'm trying to get a little more involved in TikTok. But in any case, if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at BreeCutter. And until next time, see you guys.